At ReChaco, we repair sandals. We repair about 25,000 sandals a year. People love their sandals. Like, they get these sandals and they keep them for years and years, and it's like their memories are in these sandals. So when they send them in, they send us these letters. And the letters say things like, please take care of my babies. I've had these for 15 years, and you can tell that they truly love their footwear. But anyway, we post everything on our memory board, and all the workers are excited every time we post new things. So it just kind of keeps everyone going, and to know that we're so loved. I love Chaco because it's like we tell a lot of stories and just kind of keep the life of sandals going. I've been with the company for 21 years. There's just so many things about this brand that keep me here. It's basically a part of who I am at this point.